Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie. Just like I promised in last week's video, this week I'm sharing some DIY gift ideas. I love doing these videos every year because I think it's just so much fun to create a little something handmade, even if it's not the full gift that you give someone. Just having something unique and creative that you made yourself goes a long way to show someone that you've thought of them, that you care about them. So I have a lot of fun with this. So I came up with 3 DIY gift ideas that I'm going to share with you today. Let's go ahead and get into the first DIY gift idea. The first DIY is actually a recipe that I saw on the channel Pickup Limes, and I thought it looked so incredible and would make a great gift. I like to upcycle and reuse things as much as possible, so I washed out a pasta sauce jar to use for this gift, rather than buying something new. Now it's time to add the ingredients. You'll need 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, and 1/4 cup of instant coffee granules. I actually don't drink caffeine, so I found some decaf instant coffee instead, so I could still enjoy the flavor but not worry about the caffeine. I probably should have used some better containers to pour these ingredients because the mouth of the jar was a little small, but we got there in the end. My jar was also a little too big for this recipe, but I still really like the way it turned out. I chopped up some pieces of dark chocolate and added those on top of the powdered ingredients, and finally a handful of crushed candy canes. Now let's wrap this all up and make it pretty. I had this green and white string that was perfect for a Christmas gift, so I tied a knot and then carefully wrapped it around the lid of the jar a few times. I left some extra string hanging so I could add this cute gift tag where I wrote out the instructions. To make this, you add 1½ tablespoons of the mixture to a mug, then add 1/4 cup of boiling water, and top it off with 1 cup of warm milk of your choice. I added a little candy cane with the tag, and I think this is so adorable. Keep watching because I actually made the recipe right after this, and you have to see how delicious it looks. Since I wanted to try this for myself, I shook the container to mix all of the ingredients together. And it might be a good idea to actually include this step in the instructions on the tag. I added 1½ tablespoons to my mug and then poured in the boiling water. I warmed the milk and also frothed it before pouring it into the mug, and I stirred everything together. You can also stir it before adding the milk if you want to make sure the chocolate and candy cane pieces melt first. In my opinion, whipped cream makes everything better, so I added a healthy amount of that and topped the whole thing off with more chocolate and crushed candy canes. This tasted incredible, seriously like a warm hug. It's perfect for the holidays and such a sweet and thoughtful gift. I was at Dollar Tree and saw these in the candle section. They're actually meant to be candle holders, but I also thought they'd be great as stemless drink glasses as well. I can never say no to a tinted glass like this, I just think it's so pretty. I have a pack of sticky stencils. They are the Martha Stewart brand, and I've used them for years. I really like them. I picked out a few designs that I thought would be pretty on these glasses. I like to apply just one at a time so I can lay everything out evenly. It's super important to press all of the edges down before the next step, so really take some time to make sure that there are no gaps. I used Armor Etch, which is my go-to etching cream. I've used it for so many different projects and it never disappoints. Whenever you're working with this cream, wear gloves and a mask to protect yourself. I carefully apply a thick layer using a paintbrush, making sure to cover every part of the design. Try really hard not to go outside of the lines on an area that you don't want to etch, because this stuff is really powerful. My house is currently a construction zone, so I didn't film the rinsing step on these glasses, but here's some footage of a project I did earlier this year using very similar glasses. You just want to rinse all of the cream off and then peel off the stencils. I added my next stencil and repeated the whole process. You can do as many as you want. These look gorgeous and can be used for multiple purposes, and you can customize them for the person that you're gifting them to. I bought these little tins last year to make peppermint lip balm, but I had some left over and I thought they'd make the cutest tea light candles. I found this peppermint stick candle in my collection, So I popped that into a pot of water over low heat and waited for the wax to melt down. You've seen me make candles before, but my method is to add glue dots to the bottom of the wicks and stick those into the bottom of the candle container. By the way, if you want to try any of these projects out, I always link all of the supplies that I used in the description box. I poured the wax into the tins while also spilling a bunch of it, and then I used chopsticks to keep the wicks in place while they cooled. Once they were mostly cooled but still slightly soft on top, I carefully added in a few pieces of crushed candy cane. You can tap it lightly, but since the wax is still soft, they're going to be stuck in place once it hardens. That's it for this DIY gift idea. I think it would be a really nice addition to a bigger gift, maybe a gift basket or even a gift for the host. Handmade gifts are such a fun way to show someone that you were thinking of them. I hope you guys enjoyed these DIY gift ideas and got a little bit of inspiration. Now let's talk about the giveaway. If you win this giveaway, you're gonna get the pair of Etched glasses that I made in this video, as well as a $25 gift card to Starbucks. It's just a little something for the holiday season to say thank you to you guys who support my channel, watch my videos. I wouldn't be able to do this without you, and I'm very grateful for you. So I always make entering my giveaways super easy. You just have to be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment down below telling me which one of these projects was your favorite today. That is it to enter. I'm gonna leave all of the official rules to the giveaway in the description box so you can check that out as well. So yeah, just leave your comment and I'm excited to see which one of you will win. Next week we're doing DIY Christmas decor. I can't wait to share it with you. There's gonna be so much fun stuff to see, so make sure you come back for that. Make sure you're subscribed, all that good stuff, and I'll see you then. If you want to see even more DIY gift ideas, I have a ton of inspiration for you. I've shared so many ideas over the years, so I decided to make a playlist with all of my favorites. You'll find easy, affordable gift ideas as well as unique gift baskets. Really, there is something for everyone. I'll link the playlist in the description box, so be sure to check it out. And don't forget to comment below to enter the giveaway. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next week for Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs.